Alright, picture this. You're halfway across the world, exploring ancient ruins in Rome, or maybe haggling for spices in a bustling Moroccan souk. Your YouTrip card has been your trusty companion, letting you pay seamlessly without worrying about pesky foreign transaction fees. But then, it hits you, you need cash. Maybe that street vendor only takes local currency, or you just want to grab a quick snack from a cash-only stand. The question pops into your head, a tiny, nagging voice amidst the vibrant chaos of your travels: can I actually withdraw money from my YouTrip card? It's a crucial question, one that can make or break your travel experience. You've heard all about YouTrip's fantastic exchange rates and cashless convenience, but what about good old-fashioned physical money? Many multi-currency cards prioritize digital payments, leaving users wondering about their options when cash is king. Is YouTrip just for tapping and swiping, or does it offer the flexibility to get actual banknotes into your hand? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. You can withdraw money from your YouTrip card, but there are some important things you need to know to avoid any unwelcome surprises. It's not quite as simple as withdrawing from your regular bank account, so let's dive into the specifics to ensure your travel funds are always accessible. First things first, YouTrip is designed for overseas spending. This means while you can withdraw cash, it's primarily intended for use outside Singapore. So, if you're back home and have some leftover currency on your YouTrip card, you won't be able to simply pop into a local ATM and pull out Singapore dollars. For local withdrawals in Singapore, you'd typically need to transfer funds back to your linked bank account via PayNow, assuming the funds are eligible for withdrawal. Not all top-ups are. For example, funds topped up via debit/credit cards generally cannot be withdrawn back to your bank account. Now, for those international adventures. YouTrip allows you to withdraw cash from any overseas ATM that displays the MasterCard, Maestro, or Cirrus logos. This covers a vast majority of ATMs worldwide, giving you pretty broad access to your funds. When you're at the ATM, remember to select Savings Account and, crucially, choose to withdraw in the local currency to avoid dynamic currency conversion, DCC, charges, which often come with unfavorable exchange rates. When it comes to fees, YouTrip offers a generous allowance of free ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw up to SGD $400, or its equivalent in other currencies, per calendar month without incurring any YouTrip fees. This is a fantastic perk for travelers who only need small amounts of cash here and there. However, once you exceed that SGD $400 limit, a 2% withdrawal fee will be applied to the withdrawn amount, deducted from your SGD wallet. It's important to remember that this 2% fee is non-waivable. Beyond YouTrip's own fees, be aware that some overseas ATM operators might impose their own charges. These fees are usually displayed on the ATM screen before you confirm your transaction, so always keep an eye out for them. Also, individual ATMs may have their own maximum withdrawal limits per transaction, which could be lower than YouTrip's daily limit of SGD $5,000. So, if you need a larger sum, you might have to make multiple withdrawals and potentially incur the 2% fee more than once if you go over your monthly free limit. Yes, YouTrip absolutely lets you withdraw cash overseas, providing that vital flexibility for your travels. Just be mindful of the SGD $400 monthly free limit, the subsequent 2% fee, and any potential charges from the ATM operator. Plan your withdrawals strategically, and you'll have access to cash whenever and wherever you need it on your adventures. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.